Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk business. We have Lenovo's 10th generation of their ultimate work laptop, the X1 Carbon, in the studio today. If 10 years of laptop design translate into a great laptop that has been updated to Intel's powerful Alder Lake-P chips for 2022, we will tell you in our review. ThinkPads are known to be highly customizable, and so is the X1. You can choose between a lot of different CPU, SSD and display options. Our review unit comes with the new Intel i5 1250p, 16GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD and a low-power 1080p screen. In very stark contrast to Lenovo's latest consumer flagship, the Yoga 9i, that we have reviewed a few weeks ago, the X1 follows the classic ThinkPad design language. The black laptop with red accents is completely rubberized, which makes the chassis very crispy but also very prone to fingerprints. While the ThinkPad won't turn any heads, it will also blend in perfectly in every office around the world. The X1 is also very light with just 1.2 kg and it's extremely well made. Everything feels dense and solid and there are no creaking noises interrupting your colleague's next financial report. In terms of connectivity, the Carbon puts a lot of its competitors and even full-fledged gaming or content creator laptops to shame. On the right you get a single USB-A 3.2 with an audio combo port and a SIM tray, and on the left you get two USB-C Thunderbolt 4s, another USB-A 3.2 and HDMI. Wi-Fi 6E is supported and transfer speeds are both very fast and very stable. Chances are that you spent a lot of time in Zoom calls over the past 2 years, and all of us accepted that webcams really aren't that great in the current generation of laptops. Lenovo is trying to push things forward by adding a 1080p f2.0 webcam to the extruded lip above the display. It is better than the majority of laptops out there and offers a very crisp image with solid low-light capabilities. For your next quarterly report, the X1 is again following the ThinkPad tradition and offers an amazing keyboard. The keys offer quite a bit of travel considering the slim chassis and a very clear pressure point. The touchpad offers no reason to complain as well and feels amazing to use. All clicks feel very satisfying, and if you prefer the dedicated buttons with the track point, you got the options as well. When you order your own X1 Carbon, you can choose between 7 display options. Basically all of them offer more eye candy than our review unit. That comes with a full HD 100% sRGB screen and represents the basic option for the ThinkPad. Should you want to enjoy some Netflix after your next meeting, the ThinkPad is also available with OLED or 4K touchscreens. While the screen in our ThinkPad probably won't really bother anyone, it also offers nothing to write home about. It offers solid contrast, but we would have wished for it to get a little brighter. While 370 nits average brightness is fine for office use, when you use this thing on the go on a sunny day, your Excel spreadsheets might get tough to read. In the new ThinkPad generation, you can choose between Intel's latest U15 or P28 CPUs. Our model comes with the 12-core i5 1250p that offers 4 performance and 8 efficiency cores in its V Pro variant. In short bursts or single-core loads, the i5 is very fast and can easily top the charts in our tests. In order to keep things quiet and thermals controlled, longer multi-core loads result in reduced performance over time though. Since this is hardly a device to render your next YouTube video, this shouldn't be a problem for your next workday. But please let us know what you think about such CPU behavior. General system performance is great and we discovered no hiccups or problems during our testing. SSD performance is also very solid, even though we observed fluctuating performance during longer loads, probably due to heat management issues. We came across similar behavior on other devices lately, so it might not be a Lenovo exclusive problem. Since the X1 doesn't offer a dedicated GPU, it can hardly be used for gaming after work. So I won't spend too much time on GPU performance. The integrated Xe G7 with 80 execution units is well known by now, since it was already used in last year's CPU generation. It offers adequate performance in everyday use, but in case of gaming, well, not so much. The throttle performance after longer CPU loads pay off in our fan noise tests. The ThinkPad is almost completely silent during idle or light workloads, and even under load or in our stress test, it only reaches around 35 decibels, which is really impressive. Away from the wall, the X1 nets you more than 10 hours of battery life. While this is still alright and very usable, last year's version managed to squeeze 2 hours more out of the same 57 Wh battery. So once again, the Alder Lake performance boost comes at the price of efficiency. Alright folks, let's wrap things up. The main star of the show for this year's X1 Carbon was its new Alder Lake-P CPU. Unfortunately, this is also the thing that has left us with mixed feelings. While it offers a lot of performance in short bursts and single core loads, it can't keep it up for longer periods of time and has to be throttled quite significantly. That said, the Carbon is still an amazing everyday office and work laptop and offers a high quality webcam, great port selection, amazing input devices, a very sturdy chassis and decent battery life. That would be it for today. Thanks a ton for watching and I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We have a lot of new review videos coming. Take care.